how to find someone's TikTok account without username. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in this page, tap on this Add Friend icon. You can take a look on the suggested accounts and find people you may know. Now go back and tap on this following section. You can also find suggested accounts over here. Tap on any of your friends' accounts. After that, hit their following tab. You can find mutual friends from their list as well. You just need to hit the follow button next to their names to add them. So, by following these steps, you can find someone's TikTok account without username. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.